know it would be goodbye, my love. When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole my soul?
Morning guys, how are you? So I'm in school already, just arrived. I'm the teacher on duty, so yeah, I had to be here by 6:30. Today I'm quite early. There are sometimes I usually come so late. Yani it's now 6:30 and I'm in school. I can't believe this. Let me just go around, check what's going on, what the students are doing. I've carried so many things. It's like I'm coming here to eat. Yani, if you see my bag, very many stuff. I've carried a very big one. Yeah, so let me go and check what the students are doing and then come and take breakfast that I've carried for myself. Yeah, I hope the day is going to be a good one. Everything looks clear. All the learners are in their classes. I just love such a morning. This is how our tiny school looks like. Mandizi, nini nini. This is the assembly ground. Some students are still coming in late. But yeah, that's how. Guys, I just received a package while still in school. I want us to unbox together and see what's inside here. Takaka na nini? Oh.
How could I know it would be goodbye, my love? When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole my soul?
I am back in the house, guys. I want to cook very fast food. So I'm going to be fixing these chips very fast because I don't have the energy to cook a lot.
Glow from within your eyes is gone. I never knew they could also lie fire gone. How can a heart just forget what's kept it still?
The next day.
Ngoja.
Yeah.
Haya, sasa mnaweza chukua. Sawa. Kendiko kwenda kumaanisha utakula na nini na hizo fork?
Tila na Jolia na Jala.
Lakini katalia. Yenyewe nahitaji nini? Je, nimekuchukua video. Huyo mbaba ako nyuma. guys, my dera got so wet from washing clothes. Ni kama siku hizi nimekuwa kama mtoto. I had water all over hadi huku juu. I don't know what happens when I wash clothes, especially when I'm wearing a dera. So I had to change it. That's why you're seeing me in this new outfit, in another outfit. Yeah, and also I have a problem with my ring light. It's not producing light, so I don't know if my videos look bright anymore, but naona si mbaya sana. My hair is looking terrible, guys. Let me do my hair quickly and then I wear something and leave the house. Like, I feel nowadays I'm a stranger in this house because I'm always in a hurry to get out. Right now, I'm in a hurry to go and get my nails done. And I just arrived in the house. Yani nimefika and then I did so much work and now I'm leaving. My nails are so terrible right now. They are in a very bad situation. I can't stay any more day with them looking like this. It's almost dark outside, actually. It's 6 something. But I know I'm gonna get them done because the nail tech that usually does my nails is usually chap anafanyanga very fast. Within 30 to 40 minutes you're done, especially if you just want plain gel like I want right now. So I want to hurry up and leave. I'll see you guys there. I don't even know if I'm going to be cooking tonight. That's the new look. I'm loving this maroon. I know they look cutesy. Cutesy. There we go. It's like we're having fast foods for supper again. This has been a week of wrong choices when it comes to diet. But acha leo ikuwe siku ya mwisho, guys. The last day of having bad eating habits. So I'm having this chips masala. Nimeiba ikuwa imeshapikwa. It's good. And I was going to sleep and then I felt some irritation on my throat and chest. It's like I want to catch a cold, a cough for that matter again. I don't really know what happened to my immunity, so I want to take this medicine. This trick is, I don't know, maybe I'm the one who is doing all this wrongly. Though I went to the hospital the last time, this is the second time actually I'm catching a cold in this month. So imagine catching a cough twice in 1 month. The last time I went to the hospital and I was given meds. So I don't know if I should go back and report it's not healing. I just don't understand. This time, this cough, hey, zimenikalia. Hey. And I'm the kind of person who never catches a cold. As in, hata watu wakipata wasipati. This time napata hata bila watu pata. I don't know what's wrong with my immunity. Anyway, let's hope that this one is going to act as a preventive measure. I am not really sure. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next morning.
Just woke up right now. I had a good night. Clearly, I had a good night because hata kitambaa ya kichwa ilitoka. I don't even know the situation of my hair right now. So I've woken up late. It's currently 7:11 and I need to go. So I'm gonna prepare quick breakfast and leave the house, guys. I told you I'm always like a visitor in this house. I'm always in a hurry to leave. The only time I spend here is at night. I don't know if this situation will ever change. So let me prepare breakfast and leave. Hi guys, so I just arrived at my current workplace. I'm an attaché. Here is the badge. I don't want to show you everything, but I want you to see the designation, attaché, because I will maybe do a whole video on that, telling you more information. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here guys. Please subscribe. Also, please like this vlog guys, subscribe and tell me what you think.